Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to recover the deleted YouTube application from the phone screen or from your phone. It is a very simple method that does not require any programs. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. Thank you from the heart to everyone who does it. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the settings. Then go to the applications, then click on the applications again. After that, do not click on the three small dots that we have surpassed, then click on Show System Processes to display all applications. After that, search for the YouTube application here or in the YouTube application search engine and you will find it as you see here disabled. Click on it and you will activate it by clicking here. Thus, it will be restored to your phone screen. This was the topic of today. I hope you liked it and benefited. Any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.